सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं तत्र एकोनपञ्चाशदुत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षाद्य एकोनपञ्चाशदुत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा 349th क्लास टुडे अक्टोबर मासस्य 12 दिनाङ्कः। यथा जानन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे वयम् इदानीम् अन्तिमपञ्चकम् उपान्तपञ्चकं पठामः। उपान्तपञ्चकम् एतस्य पञ्चकस्य अनन्तरम् अन्यदेकं पञ्चकं वर्तते, श्लोकपञ्चकम्। एतेन अस्माकं विदुरनीतिशतकं समाप्तं यष्यति। वयं तु इदानीम् उपान्तपञ्चके स्मः। जानन्ति भवन्तः गतकक्षायाम् 88तमः श्लोकः पठितः, परन्तु गतपूर्वकक्षायां 45 उत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षायां 345th class which we had previously, there was one poem where I found a different reading which is worth telling. I thought I am just reverting back to clarify and to tell you better way the class number 345 which we had earlier on what date I cannot know, but class number 345 and Sambandha Shloka. Among the Sambandheshu Slokeshu Ekah Slokah Punaha Patyate Adya Subhashit Ratna Bhandagarat Svikrutah Vastutah Ayam Slokah Panchatantrat Eva Svikrutah Asti एतम श्लोकं पाठयित्वा अग्रे सरामि। भृत्यैः विना स्वयं राजा लोकानुग्रहकारी अपि मयूकैरिव दीप्तांशुस्तेजसापि न शोभते इति तत्र श्लोकः अस्ति। भृत्यैः विना स्वयं राजा लोकानुग्रहकारी अपि इति पुस्तके वर्तते। अन्यः पाठः एवमस्ति, लोकानुग्रहकारिभिः भृत्यैः इति भृत्य पदस्य विशेषणत्वेन प्रयुक्तः अस्ति अयं शब्दः। लोकानुग्रहकारिभिः भृत्यैः इति अन्यः पाठः वर्तते। सो अतः अयं पुनः एकवारं पाठयितुम् इच्छामि। अत्र मयूकैः विना द्वितीय पङ्क्तौ मयूकैः प्रथम आदौ भृत्यैः विना इति अस्ति, विदौट द सर्वेंट्स। स्वयं राजा लोकानुग्रहकारी अपि अथवा लोकानुग्रहकारिभिः भृत्यैः विना, even if you take लोकानुग्रहकारिभिः भृत्यैः विना, servants who are very good to the congenial to the people, or the king who is very good to the people, without his ministers, I mean servants, faithful servants, understood? Mayukaihi vina, without the mayuka, without the kiranaihi vina. This vina is applicable to even mayuka shabda here. Understand? Mayukaihi vina deeptamshuhu iva surya iva. मयूकैः विना दीप्तांशुः मयूकैः विना दीप्तांशुः इव तेजसा अपि न शोभते। सूर्य इव, सूर्यः तेजस्वी। Then there is one more reading, Srinivas. Deeptamshuh is there, na? That we broke. Tejasapi is there. There another reading which I found in the other text, Tejasvi. Deeptamshuhu Tejasvi api na shobhati. This is better actually. I need not write anything. Tejasvi. Tejasa is in the text. Tejasvi api na shobhati. Deeptamshuhu. Kaihi vina mayukhaihi vina, without the sun rays, the sun, though very brilliant, though luminous, although the sun is luminous, without the rays, without his rays, that means when the sun is hidden by clouds and other things, basically clouds universe, when the sun is clouded or covered by clouds, however prakashaman he may be, tejasvi, he does not shine, isn't it? Similarly, without the servants, a king, though very useful to the people, he cannot shine. So this shining is common for both the king and the sun. Na shobhate, raja api bhrutyaihi vina na shobhate, suryaha atra deeptamshahu suryaha api kiranaihi vina na shobhate, tejasvi api na shobhate. So I like this tejasvi reading other than tejasa api na shobhate. Tejasvi api suryaha deeptamshahu na shobhate. Kena karanena na shobhate kiranaihi vina. Yadi kiranaha na prasaranti, यदि सूर्यः मेघैः आवृतः स्यात्, यदि आवृतः भवति तर्हि तस्य प्रकाशः न अधः दृश्यते. एवं रूपेण वृत्यैः विना राजा अपि न प्रकाशते, न शोभते. यद्यपि राजा तेजस्वी भवेत्, राजा तेजस्वी भवेत्, परन्तु न शोभते इति तत्र अर्थः भवति. सो दिस वन. So we'll move on now. So this poem is over, na? 88th poem. Yatha Madhu, or you have to do Srinivas? Done, na? This poem. Yatha Madhu, Samadatte is over. Acha, Sambadha Shlokaha, Ekam Trayaha. Ekam Patatu, Prathamam Sambadham Slokam. Page 177.
पुष्पं पुष्पं विचिन्वीत मूलच्छेदन कारयेत् मालाकार इवारामे न यथांगार कारकः.
This is a famous shloka. I think I must have told you. पुनः तत्र अविहिंसया तत्र शीर्षं वर्तते अर्थमादद्यात्. राजा अविहिंसया हिंसां विना एव प्रजाभ्यः जनेभ्यः अर्थं गृह्णीयात् स्वीकुर्यात्. राजा कथं वा प्रजाभ्यः करम्, अर्थं नाम अत्र करं स्वीकुर्यात् राजा. यथा पुष्पं पुष्पं विचिन्वीत मूलच्छेदं न कारयेत् मालाकार इव. The example given again in the Viduraniti, same place. Malakarah, malaha karoti iti malakara, one who makes a garland, garland weaver. Malakarah iva pushpam pushpam vichinvita. He must pick up, pluck flower after flower. Pluck one flower after the another flower. Pushpam pushpam vichinvita. Moola chedam na karayet, and should not, moola chedam means damage the plant at the root level. A flowering tree is there. You only pick up the flowers, not uproot the thing. Again flowers may come there in the place of where you have plucked. So you pick up, you collect. Vichin means, vichin, this is Vidiling, vichinvita, chinuyat, chi to collect. Vichinvita should collect. A person like a gardener, like a garland weaver, malakaraha iva, ekaikam pushpam vichinvita. One should collect, pluck one flower after flower, and not damaging the base. Moola chedam na karayet. Vrikshasya moola chedam na karayet. One should not damage, do the damage, cause damage to the plant. Malakara iva arame. Iva plus arame. Padachedam na krutavan bhavan. Purvam. Only one here. Malakara. Mala plus akara. Mala plus akara. No, mala plus karaha. That is not a sandhi. Malayaha malam karoti iti malakaraha. One word only. Iva plus arama. That is the only. One more. Yatha plus angara karakaha. So, malakara iva arame udyane. Yatha udyane malakaraha malakrit malakartru karta pushpam pushpam chinoti pushpam cha vichinvan malakaraha yatha malaha karoti. Just like a gardener, udyane, collecting flower after flower makes up the garland. Like that, the king, what is understood here? King should also collect from the people without spoiling the base themselves. Na yatha angara karakaha. Angara karakaha means charcoal maker. What does the charcoal angara karakaha kim karoti? Tatra sarvam nashayati. Angaram svikrutya tatra mulachedam bhavati na. Punaha angaraha na tatra bhavati. In the coal mine, what do? They extract coal, and once the coal is all extracted, no more coal will come there. There will be no coal will not come upon the place where you have already taken out the coal. That is mulacheda. You are damaging the base there. So not like that. A king should collect taxes like a gardener plucking one flower from the garden, making a garland. A king should not be like a charcoal maker, destroy this very base. You take the maximum from the coal mine and then it is become empty. It becomes empty. There won't be anything left. So, na yatha angara karaka, not like a charcoal maker. Angara karaka kim karoti tatra mulam nashayati. Mulachedam karoti. Evam na raja syat. Raja evam na syat iti. A king should not be like this. Now, as per the grammar here, vi upasarga purvaka chi dhatu. Chi dhatu. To pick, culling, plucking, picking, these are the senses. Collecting also. So, vichinvita, vichinviyatam, vichinviyatam, vichinviran. This is Atmanepada, this is Ubhayapada. Chi is a Ubhayapada. Chinoti, chinute. Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Chi dhatu is Ubhayapadi. So, chinute, chinoti. Vichinvita, vichinviyatam, vichinviran. Third person singular. Karayet also potential mode. Karoti, karotu, karayet. This is causal. Should make, do. Mula chedam na kar means the king or the flower maker should not cause the source damage. Damage should not cause damage to the main source. Na karayet. Malakaraha iva arame na yatha angara. There is a sandhi here. Savarna angara karakaha. Not like a charcoal maker.
Arama.
Arame udyane. Arama shabda. Aramaha udyane. Now you should be liking the derivation of this word aramaha. A means upasarga it is. This is a word derived from a upasarga ram dhatu, ram kridayam, etc. Ram to enjoy also. So what is a garden? Why people go to the garden? To enjoy. A means samantat, all around, ramante janahatra. A samantat ramante janaha asmin pradeshe iti arama. It's a place where people enjoy totally. So it is called aramaha. Yeah, we can go to the next. So angaram karoti iti angara karakaha. Angara then malaha karoti iti malakarah. That is how these words should be derived. Yeah.
यथा यथाल्पाल्पं मदन्त्याद्यं वार्यो कोवत्स षट्पदाः तथाल्पाल्पो ग्रहीतव्यो राष्ट्रदाज्ञाद्भिकः करः राष्ट्रादाज्ञाद्भिकः करः.
This is Manusmriti. Yatha alpam yatha alpa break here. Yatha alpam adanti. Oh, lot many sandhis are coming. Yatha plus I will write also. Alpam adanti adyam. वार्योकः वत्सषट्पदाः वत्सषट्पदाः. There are three things here. Varyokah, vatsa the calf, षट्पदाः the bees. Varyokah means the leech. You know leech, jalaga, Telugu bhashaya. Varyokah वत्सः षट्पदाः भ्रमराः. यथा एते अत्र वर्णिताः त्रयः प्राणिनः, वार्योकः इति एकः, वत्सः इति अन्यः, षट्पदाः इति तृतीयः. यथा एते त्रयः अपि अल्पाल्पम् अदन्ति खादन्ति. All these described things, leech, the calf and the bees, honey bees, they eat small bit by bit, alpalpam adanti adyam annam. They eat consume their food in very bit by bit, in small quantities. Alpam adyam adanti. Adyam nama annam. They eat very little. Brahmara, you know, just hops on the flower and then sucks the honey there. The leech once clings to the body of a person, it slowly sucks the blood. Leech. That is Varyokah. And then, what is the other one? Vatsaha. Okay, calf also very slowly sucks the milk from its mother. Like that. Tatha, yatha, tatha. Both are contrasting here. Alpalpo, alpaha. In small quantities. Grahitavyaha should be taken. In a small quantity should be taken. What is that? Rastrat Sandhi. Rastrat Rajna Abdikaha Karaha. Rajna by the king. Rajan Shabda is used, Srinivas. Rajna Alpalpam Swalpam Grahitavyam Alpalpaha Karaha Grahitavyaha. Little by little tax should be collected by the king. Rajna Nrupena. Atra Sandhi. Rastrat iti Panchami. Rastrat Rajna Abdikaha Karaha. Annual tax. Abdikaha Karaha. Grahitavyaha. Annual tax should be taken from the country. People should be taxed annually. Alpalpaha, swalpaha. Like what? Like the above three examples. Like the leech, like the calf, and like the... Yes. Varyoka iva, vatsa iva, punaha षट्पदा इव षट्पद यथा एते त्रयः अपि स्वल्पमेव आद्यम अन्नम अदन्ति तथैव राजा अपि अल्पाल्पः करः गृहीतव्यः राज्ञा राज्ञा अल्पाल्पः करः गृहीतव्यः by the king. The tax should be collected in this least manner, the least manner, not at once people should be taxed. People should not be overburdened by tax, Srinivas. That is the idea. How should the king tax the people? That is the example. One example we have studied, like the garland maker plucks only the flowers and leaves the plant, not like the charcoal maker in the above poem. Here he says, he has given 3 examples how these things Manu says. So the king should be clever enough to tax the people very, very little like these, and there will be no pain experienced by the subjects. Now sandhis have to be written. Just read, I will write out. Where is the pen? This is main shloka 80.
88. B. Samadhi.
Tell me.
यथा प्लस अल्प प्लस अल्पम
Alpa alpam.
प्लस
Alpam. Next word. Alpa.
अदंति
Adantya.
अदंति प्लस आदि
Next.
वार्यः
What is that?
वार्यकः
Varyaka. Okay. That next word. Varyaka.
वार्योको वार्योकः
Varyaka.
वत्सः
Varyo. Dirgha is there?
वार्यो
Varyokah. Sorry. Yoka. वत्सः.
वत्सः षट्पदः
भ्रमराः.
तथा
तथा
प्लस अल्पः प्लस अल्पः
no visargam
अल्पाल्पो
alpa alpo alpah
गृहीतव्यो
grahitavyah
राष्ट्रात् राज्ञा
राज्ञः
आब्दिकः
आब्दिकः करः Karaha tax. So this is it. So these are two yatha tatha are contrasting. Rajna तथा तादृशया पद्धत्या तथा नाम तादृशया पद्धत्या अल्पाल्पः गृहीतव्यः किं गृहीतव्यः करः गृहीतव्यः tax should be collected from where राष्ट्रात् from the country from the people राष्ट्रात् राज्ञा अल्पाल्पः करः गृहीतव्यः राज्ञा. So by the king small quantity in small quantity tax should be collected from the country from the people like what yatha alpa alpam adanti adyam yatha varyokah vatsah षट्पदाः अल्पाल्पम आद्यम अन्नम अदन्ति तद्वत् तथैव राज्ञा आब्दिकः करः राष्ट्रात् आब्दिकः करः अल्पाल्पः गृहीतव्यः. So like that, the king should take very little by little from the people. Little by little.
Next.
Yeah.
अष्टौ मासान् यथा विद्यस्तोयं हरति रश्मिभिः तथा हरेत्करं
नित्यम अर्कव्रतम ही तत् अष्टौ मासान् यथादित्यस्तोयं हरति रश्मिभिः अष्टौ मासान् यावत् यथा आदित्यः सूर्यः किं करोति तोयं हरति रश्मिभिः किरणैः यथा सूर्यः तस्य किरणैः रश्मिभिः तोयं जलं हरति अष्टौ मासान् यावत् just like the sun draws water for 8 months अष्टौ मासान् यथा आदित्यः तोयं जलं समुद्रात् तोयं रश्मिभिः तस्य किरणैः हरति तथा हरेत करम. In the similar manner, a king should also take tax from the people, spread over a period of time, not all tax at one go. See, wonderful example. Tatha haret karam rastrat. Tatha rastrat karam haret. A king should take tax from the people nityam, always. Tatha nityam rastrat karam haret raja. This is called Arkavratam hi tat. This is called the Arkavratam. Arkavratam, that is given a word here. Arka means Surya. Arkavratam means for that action of which the king does, he resembles the Surya, Srinivasa. Arkavratam means for that is the office in which he resembles the sun god. Arka iva karyam karoti. Arkasya karyam iva karyam karoti. Arkasya arkaha yatha ashtau masan yavat tatra toyam किम श्रीनिवास तोयम हरन भवति रश्मिभिः तस्य रश्मिभिः किरणैः एवमेव राजा अपि सूर्यः इव राष्ट्रात् बहुकालं यावत् करं हरेत् एतद्धि अर्कव्रतं. दिस इज कॉल्ड द अर्कव्रत. नित्यम ऑलवेज अर्कव्रतं हि तत्. दैट इज कॉल्ड अर्कव्रत. ए काइंड ऑफ that is the way where he resembles the sun god. That is the way of the sun, the functioning of the sun. You say that is the way the sun functions, and also the king should also function like the sun. You understand what is the here? Now let us see the padacheda. Astau no sandhi masan yatha toyam harati rashmivihi tatha हरेत करम राष्ट्रात् नित्यम अर्क व्रतम ही तत्. अर्कव्रत सूर्य व्रतम ही तत्. अर्क नाम ओम मित्र रवि सूर्य भानु खगपूष हिरण्यगर्भ मरीचादित्य सवित्र अर्क भास्करेभ्यो नमः. 12 नामानि सूर्यस्य. सो अर्क मीन्स सूर्य. अर्कव्रतम सूर्य व्रतम आदित्य व्रतम. So in all these poems, if you have observed, Srinivas, the king is always compared with the sun. Suryena saha tatra atulitaha raja. A king is compared with the sun. Because king is very luminous person, and therefore he is comparable to the sun god only. And the functioning is also now brought here. Like the sun draws water over a period of 8 months and then gives for 4 months. And you know, I am going to tell one more poem from Raghuvamsha of Kalidasa, relevant, very much relevant here. The king should take taxes not for filling his coffers, not for filling up their treasuries, but only to give back. In that, a king is just like the sun only. Like the sun draws 8 months water to give 4 months during the monsoon season to the people, and number of times more. Whatever the sun draws, he will be giving back in 1000-fold more. To that effect, there is one beautiful poem in Raghuvamsha that should have been Sambandha Sloka here. It is not there. I will just teach it now. Any more? One line is given. One line is given, that is not sufficient. One more. So in this poem, Yatha Anvayartha, Yatha Adityaha Ashtau Masan Toyam Harati, Yatha Adityaha Rashmi Bihi Ashtau Masan Toyam Harati. Just like the sun draws water with his rays for 8 long months, similarly Rastrat Nityam Rastrat Tatha Nityam Rastrat Karam Haret Raja Etadhi Arkavratam. Etadhi Arkavratam. This is called the Arkavrata. Now the poem which I want to bring in here, Prajanameva Bhutyartam. Prajanameva Bhutya. This is there in the Raghuvamsha. Prathama Sarga. Prajanameva Bhutyartam Satabhyo Balimagrahit. This is the first line, Srinivas. Prajanameva Bhutyartam. Those who have the books can look into Raghuvamsha. Prathama Sarga. Ashtadashamaha Slokaha. Prajanameva Bhutyartam. Kalyanartham. Sa Raja Tabhyaha Balimagrahit. Karamagrahit. Bali is also means karam, tax. Satabhyaha Prajabhyaha Balim Agrahit Svakarot. He took tax from the people for their own sake. Now this is the concept, ancient, wonderful concept of good governance. When we talk of good governance, the government should collect taxes only to give it back in several ways to the people. Prajanameva Bhutyartam Kalyanartham. Bhuti. You know the word Bhuti? Bhutyartam. Bhutyai. Prajanameva Bhutyai. Raja Tabhyaha Prajabhyaha Balim Karam Agrahit. He took Balim Agrahit means he took taxes. He collected taxes from the people for their own welfare. Bhuti means welfare. It was for the welfare of the people that the king collected taxes. Like in this manner of collecting taxes, that is the beauty of the next half sloka. Sahasra Gunam Usrastum. Sahasra Gunam Usrastum. Sahasra Gunam means 1000-fold. Sahasra Gunam Utsrastum, to give back, to throw. Usrastum means to give away. Usrastum Adattehi Rasam Ravihi. This poem I think I should write, Srinivas. It's a wonderful poem. Let our students be benefited. This is the actually most relevant here. Sambandha Sloka I am writing. This is taken from Raghuvamsha Mahakavyat 118 number, first sarga. Now I am writing here. Prajanameva Bhutyartam Sa Tabhyo Balimaggrahit. This is the first line. Sahasra Gunamutrastum Sahasra Gunamusrastum Adatti Rasam Sahasra Gunam Usrastum Adattehi hi rasam ravi. Adattehi rasam ravihi. Just read, Srinivas. I'll check any mistake.
Prajanameva bhutyartham.
Bhutyartham.
Satabhyo balimaggrahit.
Balimaggrahit. Aggrahit.
Sahasra guna.
Gunamusrastum.
Gunamusrastum.
Adatte.
Adatte.
There is a mistake. Adatte.
Adatte rasam ravi.
Rasam ravihi. Now here, Prajanam, you can understand, Praja Shabda, Prajanam eva bhutyartam, bhuti, you break bhuti, artam, bhutyartam, kalyanartam. For the welfare of the people only. Prajanam kalyanartham eva, bhutyartam nama kalyanartam eva, sa nama Raghu Maharaja. Sa Sri Ramachandrasya Prapitamah Raghu Maharaja, Sa Raghu Maharaja, Tabhyaha Prajabhyaha. Tabhyaha is a pronoun for Prajabhyaha, from the people. Balim agrahit, verb is agrahit, took tax, collected the tax from the people for their own benefit, welfare only. So, why a king collecting the taxes? Now, what's happening in our modern democracy? Governments are coming and governments are making money and filling up their coffers in Swiss banks. That is the whole tragedy. Satabhyo balimagrahit. Whereas our ancient kings did collect taxes but gave back to them. Wonderful upamana. Sahasra gunam, 1,000 times. Sahasra gunam plus usrastum. Here you break usrastum to give away. Here you break gunam plus usrastum. This is tumunanta. Usrastum plus adatte. Gives. He rasam ravihi. Ravihi suryaha sahasra gunam varsha rupena adattum datum rasam jalam svikaroti. Yatha ravihi suryaha ashtau masan yavat tatra jalam svikaroti. Kimartam svikaroti? Sahasra gunam datumeva punaha. The sun draws for 8 months in the previous poem. The sun draws the water only to give 1,000 times more to the people. That is how the king is compared here with Ravi. In this functioning, both the sun and the king are fitting what you call comparison. Only for the sake of the people, they do their function. So that is called a wonderful word we have come across here. Arkavratam, that is Arkavratam. So this is Srinivas. So it was only for the welfare of the people alone that the king collected taxes from them. In this he resembled like the sun who draws water up water from the oceans, understood, only to give it back, pour it back 1,000 times more. So a king is just like a Surya only. So that is the poem which I just wanted to teach also. Then one quotation is here.
Āyanam hi visargāya satam vari muchāmiva.
Oh, okay. Now you know the word vari here, rasam. Rasam means jalam. Jalam. Rasam means jala. Yeah, coming back here. Ādanam hi visargāya satam vari muchāmiva. Somewhere this is a quotation I did not look into. Ādanam means taking. Ādana, pradana. Ādanam hi visargāya. Satam ādanam hi visargāya bhavati. Satpurushanam ādanam, the taking of the good people is only for giving away. When good people take, they only take it for giving back. Satam ādanam visargāya hi. Visargāya nama dānāya hi. In that manner they are compared here. Vari muchāmiva. Vari muchāmiva. Vari much. Vari means jala. Srinivas. Vari means jalam. Much means muk. Vari muk means vari munchati jalamuk. Jalamuch. Jalam munchati iti jalamuch. Jalamuk shabda is also there. Jalamuk means cloud. Jalamuk, jalamuchau, jalamuchaha. Varimuch, varimuchau, varimuchaha. Varimucham means meghanam iva. Yatha megaha visargāya eva jalam tatra svikurvanti. So like that here. Satam ādanam visargāya hi vari muchāmiva. Just like the clouds, only for giving back, clouds won't keep water with them. So in that the action of the great people is only to give back to the society. So evam rupena sambandha slokaha samaptaha. Ekona navatitamah slokaha. Ekona navatitamah. 89th sloka. Lokaranjakaha raja. Raja lokaranjakaha syat bhavediti. Ranjanat raja. I must have told you. We come across in the same Mahabharata. Prajaranjanat sa raja iti uchyati. He is called Raja because of entertaining, keeping the people always happy. Ranjana must is, from the word Ranjana only you get Raja Shabda. That is what let us see here. Vacha karmana Simple sloka. First line there is no sandhi. Second line lokaha anuprasidati. That's all. Only one padached. Anvayartha you can take up. Yeah.
यह लोकं चक्षुषा मनसा वाचा कर्मणा च चतुर्विधं प्रसादयति तं लोकः अनुप्रसीदति.
Very simple, simplest poem. यह राजा. अत्र कः विषयः? राजा एव विषयः. यह राजा, यह भूपालः, यह महीपालः वर्तते. लोकं चक्षुषा मनसा वाचा कर्मणा च चतुर्विधं प्रसादयति. That king who pleases his subjects, people. Lokam janan, atra janan, chakshusha with his good looks, manasa with his good mind, vacha with his good words, and with his action. A king should not have a bad look at the people, jealousy look. A king should be mentally very good to the people. Even verbally he should be good, vacha. And karmana, by his actions also he should be very pleasing to the, very beneficial to the people. Chaturvidam prasadayati. Yaha chaturvidam, chaturvidam yaha raja prasadayati. Janan nama lokamatra. One who pleases his subjects by these four methods, by his very kind vision, you can say, and kind nice thinking and nice words and also nice action. Chaturvidam prasadayati tam tadrusham rajanam, tadrusham prabhum. Tam means tam rajanam lokaha prasidati. People also please him. People become not pleasing here. Tam tadrusham rajanam prati, towards such a king, lokaha prasidati. The people will be happy. People will be happy towards that king. Actually, there are so many slokas. A king is happy when people are happy. A king is unhappy when people are unhappy. So king's life is not king's life. Rajnah jivitam na rajnah bhavati. Prajanameva jivitam rajnah jivitam bhavati. Yadi prajaha santushtaha bhavanti, raja santushtaha bhavati. Yadi prajaha asantushtaha bhavanti, sarhi raja api asantushtaha bhavati iti. So one who accepts the responsibility of kingship should be so involved in ruling that he should be a part of the people. Where is this involvement now? Do our rulers get involved with the people? So this all looks idealistic description. So tam means tadrusham rajanam prati, towards such a king, lokaha santushtaha bhavati prasidati tushyati. Prasidati nama tushyati. Okay, bhavartha you can read.
यदा मनसा वाचा कर्मणा दर्शनेन च लोकं प्रसन्नं करोति तस्मिन् लोकः अपि प्रसीदति.
That's it. One who pleases with these four methods, tasmin, towards such a king, lokaha api prasidati tushtaha bhavati. Nothing more here. Sambandha slokas will say.
रुजु पश्यति यः सर्वं चक्षुषानुपि बन्निव.
रुजु पश्यति यः सर्वं चक्षुषा अनुपिबन्निव. चक्षुषानुपिबन्निव.
आसीनमपि
तूष्णीकम् अनुरज्यन्ति
तं प्रजा.
This is again Vidraniti, same place. What is the number? 23, 24. Yeah, just before that previous poem. Yeah, Padacheda you can do. No, only Chakshusha plus Anupiban plus Iva. There. Chakshusha is Trutiyanta. Chakshur Shabda. Chakshuhu, Chakshushi, Chakshumshi. Remember that Shabda?
Yes.
Chakshuhu, Chakshushi, Chakshumshi, Chakshusha, Chakshurabhyam, Chakshubhihi. So Chakshusha Netrena Anupibanniva. Anupiban. This is Kshatru. Kshatru Patna. Piban, Pibanto, Pibantaha. Anupiban plus Iva. Anupibanniva. Asinam api. One sandhi here. Asinam api. Tushnikam anurajjanti plus anurajjanti tam praja. Now with regard to king only, Vidura says, Yaha Raja, Srinivas, Yaha Raja Chakshusha Sarvam Anupibanniva Sarvam Rujupashyati. That king who sees everything straight, Rujumargena Pashyati. Chakshusha Anupibanniva, as if drinking with his eyes. That means one who observes in a fair manner at the people, as if, means deeply observing. Anupibanniva means, literally it means as if drinking with the eye. Chakshusha netrena anupibanniva, as if, this is utpreksha like, as if drinking with his eyes. You don't drink with eyes, but it's a way of expression. Rujupashyati, one who sees in a fair manner, straightforward, fair manner, otherwise fair manner. A king who looks at the people in a fair manner, with a straightforward manner, as if drinking, with close observation you can say. What happens? if that king, such a king, asinam api, even if he is seated, not doing anything, asinam api, tushnikam asinam api, even if he is seated quietly, not doing anything. Tushnikam, tushnikam adjectival to asinam, tushnikam api asinam, even though he is seated quietly. Tushnikam means, tushni bhava means mauni, mauna bhava. Tushnikam asinam api, even though he is very quietly situated. Sorry. Tushnikam asinam api tam tadrusham rajanam prati prajaha anurajyanti. Tam rajanam prajaha anurajyanti. Now here is the verb is ranja dhatu, Srinivas. Ranja is ubhaya pada and it is available in two ganas, first and fourth gana, bhuadi gana and another gana, chaturtha gana, divadi, divyati, divadi gana. But there it is available like rajati, rajyati forms are there. Rajyati, rajati, rajyati. So that is the word here. Rajyanti. This is fourth. Anurajyanti means pleased. Tushyanti. You take another word. Tam tadrusham rajanam prati prajaha tushyanti. Pritaha bhavanti, tushtaha bhavanti. Even though if that king who is very kind, has got a kind vision towards his people, even if he is seated not doing anything, quietly, people will be pleased. People will be pleased. That is what the same Manu, Viduraniti, same. It comes earlier, 23, what we studied is. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we can go to next.
Kshatriyasya paro dharmah prajanameva palanam nirdishta phala bhokta hi raja dharmena yujyate.
This is Manu. Now what is the duty of Kshatriya is given here. Kshatriyasya paraha dharmaha prajanameva palanam, rakshanam palanam. So what is the primary duty of a king is outlined here. Kshatriyasya rajnaha paraha dharmaha, ultimate, highest duty of a king. Prajanam palanameva, palanat sa raja bhavati, ranjanat raja bhavati, palanat palakah bhavati, palanat palakah prajapalakah, praja ranjanat praja raja bhavati, raja. So prajanam palanameva. Yeah.
Nirdishta phala bhokta.
Yeah, it is a samasa. Nirdishtam phalam yaha bhunkte. Nirdishtam phalam bhunkte iti nirdishta phala bhokta. Bhoktru shabda. Bhoktru. Bhokta, bhoktaro, bhoktaraha. Like that. Nirdishta means specified, mentioned. Phala. So he becomes the enjoyer of the whatever result is prescribed, specified, mentioned there. He enjoys the rewards mentioned there. Who enjoys? One who protects the people. One whose saraja yasya paramaha dharmaha kevalam praja paripalanam asti. Prajanam palanameva yasya paramaha dharmaha bhavati sa bhunkte, sa bhokta bhavati, sa nirdishta phala bhokta bhavati. He enjoys the rewards, whatever rewards are prescribed in Shastra for protecting the people well. So nirdishta phalasya bhokta, nirdishta phala bhokta. He Raja, indeed the king indeed enjoys the rewards mentioned there, whatever it is. Raja dharmena yujyati, and that king not only he will enjoy the results, dharmena yujyati, he will be bound to discharge his duty in accordance with the dharma. Dharmena yujyate means he is bound to discharge his duty in a dharma marga. Understand? Dharmena yujyate. Yujyate means yujya dhatu is bound to, is made to discharge his duty in a dharmic way. Dharmena. Dharmena palayitum yuktaha bhavati sa raja. Is it okay? Any? Nirdishta yadyat palam nirdishtam bhavati prajanam paripalane yadyat samyak palam suphalam tatra rajnah pakshe agachati tat palasya tasya palasya bhokta bhavati sa. Whatever results, rewards are mentioned in the Shastra that come to merits, that come to the king who protects well his people, he becomes the enjoyer of that. Nirdishtanam phalanam bhokta sa bhavati. Yani yani phalani tatra nirdishtani uktani bhavanti shastreshu rajaniti shastre tani tani sa anubhavati ka yaha prajanam eva kevalam tatra suparipalanam karoti. And sa raja, that king, will also be yuktaha bhavati. Dharmena prajaha palayitum yuktaha bhavati. He will be bound to discharge his duty in a justful, rightful manner. Yeah, you can go to next.
Taskarebhyo niyuktebhyah shatrubhyo nrupavallabhat nrupatir nijalobhadvyah praja rakshet pitevahi.
This is some Subhashita, maybe from some. Taskarebhyah niyuktebhyah shatru hitopadesha. This is hitopadesha. Shatrubhyah nrupavallabhat. Everywhere, if you observe Srinivas, Panchami is running. Panchami vibhakti. Sarvatra. Panchami bahuvachanam. Taskarat, taskarabhyam, taskarebhyah. Niyuktebhyah. Okay. Niyuktaha, niyuktat, niyuktabhyam, niyuktebhyah. Niyuktat, niyuktabhyam, niyuktebhyah. Means appointed people, officers. Shatroho, shatrubhyam, shatrubhyah. Panchami. Nrupa vallabhat iti panchami ekavachanam. First. Nrupatihi, next line, you break this sandhi. Nrupatihi nija lobhat. Again panchami. Nrupatihi plus nija lobhat yaha. Nija lobhat yaha. This is simple hal sandhi. Ta becomes dana. Nija lobhat yaha. Nija lobhat yaha. Yaha means which king? Understood. Praja rakshit, prajaha rakshit, visarga lopa, pitevahi, pita ivahi, pita ivahi. So what Hitopadesha says, a king, Raja, nowhere it is said, na, yaha Raja, Pita iva, like a father. You know, a king is often conceived in our Shastras, in our Dharma Shastra, Niti Shastra, as a father of the entire country. Raghuvamsha also beautifully says, Kaliyasa, what poem we just studied. Sapita prajanam tesham kevalam janmahetavaha. The real parents are only janmahetava. They gave birth to the people, but he became the father, rakshanat, bharanat, poshanat cha, he says, by protecting them, by maintaining them, and by educating them. Vinayadanat, rakshanat, vinayadanat, bharanat, poshanat, by protecting, by educating, rakshanat, vinayadanat, poshana, by nourishing, and also by employing them, giving them jobs. He became the king, became the actual father. Their real fathers were only the begetters. They only gave birth. What a beautiful concept. We beget children, we are physical fathers, but real father is the king. Because protection, because of education, because of employment. Oh my God, what a beautiful concept that is. Oh, that poem is also very good. Rakshanat, Vinayadanat, Bharanat, Poshanadapi. Bharana is maintaining, Poshana is nourishing. See, the king, so therefore a king is like a father. That is what here. Nrupatihi, Yaha Raja, Prajaha, that king who, Prajaha Piteva Rakshet, one who protects his people like a father. From whom should he protect? Taskarebhyaha, from the thieves. Taskara, Chorebhyaha. Tat karoti, I told you last class. Tat karoti. Taskarebhyaha, Chorebhyaha. Niyuktebhyaha, Adhikaribhyaha. Niyuktebhyaha means from the king's officers. A king should protect the people from thieves, from his own officials. Shatrubhyaha, from his enemies, from the enemies. Nrupavallabhat, and people who are very, very favorites to the king. Nrupasya ye vallabhaha janaha bhavanti vallabhaha bhavati yakopi tasmat purushadapi rakshet raja. See, I am the brother-in-law of, or I am a great fan of the king or something like that. Whoever is very close to the king is also powerful man. So Nrupa Vallabhat, from his favorites. Raja Prajaha Rakshet Piteva, Pita Iva Rakshet, he should protect. Nrupatihi, Yaha Nrupatihi, given here. Yaha Nrupatihi, Yaha Raja, Piteva Prajaha Evam Rakshet, Etebhyaha. And also one more thing is Nrupatihi Nijalobhat, he should also protect from his own greed. King may be greedy, so he should not be greedy for getting anything from the people. So he should protect them from his own greed. Nija Sviya Lobhat Api. Na kevalam Taskarebhyaha, Chorebhyaha, Niyuktebhyaha, Adhikaribhyaha, Shatrubhyaha, Nrupavallabhat, Nrupa, or from here only Ekavachana is used. Why? Nrupavallabhat Nija Lobhadapi Yaha Nrupatihi Prajaha Piteva Rakshati Sa Eva Raja. One who protects, he is only a king. So wonderful. Shubham Bhuyat. We'll stop here.